All of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time. I mean, honestly.
What is up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi honey, my name is Jaz'Men. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? I'm trying to get this channel to 500 subscribers. And if you're returning, I want to thank you so much for rocking with me. I really appreciate it. Now y'all, let's get into this video. Now in the previous clips, you saw me get my hair done, girl. You saw me get my nails done. That was like a week ago, so my hair is not freshly blown out, but it's okay, girl. It's okay, because we about to add some lips to her, okay? We about to do some we're about to do some clip-ins. I got some clip-ins from Bellami, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna do my false eyelashes, honey. You know I like to do them myself because, yeah, I'm not good at maintaining stuff, and I just can't see myself spending $100-something on lashes. And I know I'm gonna sleep rough and they gonna fall off. So I like to do them myself. So if you wanna see all that, make sure you stay tuned. All right, y'all, so here they are. Can you see it? Let's see if it's gonna focus. Oh, I think the light is too close to the light. Okay, so these are the ones I got. They are the Bellami Silk Seam clip-ins. So yeah, this is how they come. Child, I dropped a piece of hair on the floor. Anyway, so so it come in like it comes like this, but this part is separate because you try this first before you actually open it because I guess once it's open you can't return it. So you just put this up against your hair to see if it match or if you want to keep it like that or whatever. It is a little dark, but I just know that the other one's going to be too light, so I'm gonna just see how this turn out. If it don't work, it's okay. I can just take them out and, you know, dye my hair. And that's the main thing with clip-ins. You can just take these out, girl. Like, you don't have to commit to a sew-in. And plus, I'm kind of tender-headed a little bit, so cornrows be killing me. I like to have as less tension on my hair as possible. So yeah, I'm about to start installing these. So I never actually had straight clip-ins before. I did try some from Amazon that were curly. It did not work out well at all. I looked crazy, girl. But yeah, these, as you can see, the seam is pretty flat. It looked like tape-ins. If you ever saw those before, that's what it looked like, tape-ins. I did this before, but it was a long time ago. I do not remember. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flat iron these, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna flat iron them and then, you know, do a parted, clip it in, and then I'm gonna flat iron my real hair with this because I feel like I do need to flat iron my hair again, like I told you guys before. I got my hair blown out like a week ago, so. It's probably so crooked, y'all, but okay, so I did my first part and I took the different pieces from the clip-ins and I, you know, just put them up against my hair to see which one would fit best in my opinion. And this is the one that I chose. It got the two clips. So yeah, I'm gonna flat iron it. Right, I'm gonna pop these clips up. Let's see. Okay, y'all. So I have my first clip in. Okay, so the first time I did it, I feel like I did it wrong. So what I would recommend you do is you clip one on the side that you want it to, like where you want it to be, and then you apply a little bit of tension and then clip the other side so that it can lay flat, because before it was like bubbling up a little bit. Oh yeah. There she is. I wish I could see. Alright, I'm gonna go do the rest. Y'all, I would definitely recommend that you separate each piece. Like these ones, it came with the ones that has 2 clips, and then it has some that had 3 clips, and then it's one that had 4 clips. So just to save yourself some time, I would definitely recommend separating them by the length, because girl. I got the 22 inches in jet black. This hair is freaking long, y'all. I'm 5'6", so you know, this hair is long. Yeah, so I kind of wish I had more clip-ins. Next time I'll probably buy like the 2-pack, because maybe I did something wrong. But girl, I got 2 pieces of hair left. 2 of the ones with the 2 clips on it. Girl, so I'm gonna do a side part, and I guess probably I just, oh, girl, almost fell. But I probably won't put one on this side and just have it more giving on this side, okay? And then put that one, you know, do the little behind the ear thing we used to do with our frontals. Yeah, I kind of had to do this one on the curve. I don't know, y'all, maybe I did something wrong. But yeah, this one's on the curve. Hope you can see it. This actually don't look bad without adding the extra piece of hair to it. Oh yeah, y'all, I might can't. Girl, hold on, girl, hold on. This might be it right here. This might be her. What you guys think? I don't know. And then maybe I could still add a piece over here. Girl, hold on, girl. All right, y'all, so I decided not to add that extra piece because it was too long for that little part I have right here. But yeah, now I'm gonna go flat iron it and see how this blend. So far I like it. The hair is nice and soft. It scared me a little bit because when I was trying to comb it, but girl, it seemed fine now. So I'm gonna go flat iron my hair right here and all this extra hair that I left out to blend it with the extension. Alright, y'all, so I feel like my hair is not gonna blend with this. Like, it's just no way. So I did like a little curl right here with my natural hair to try to make it look like it's a layer or something, you know. And I curled the ends a little bit. Clearly not that well. But yeah, I just did like a little flat iron curl. I really like to wear my hair straight, but because the extensions do not blend with my hair, I do have to wear it curly a little bit or something. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with my edge booster and just slick this side down. Alright, then I'm gonna comb it with my comb. If you have like that edge control brush, I recommend that you use this. I'm only using the comb because I don't know where my edge control brush is right now. So yeah, that's how it's looking on the side. I'm gonna take a little bit and put it like up there. But I tell you guys, I put just a little bit, and then again, I'm just combing it in the directions that I want my hair to go. And again, I'm just putting like a little, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a tiny like smudge of this. And I'm putting it like on my little sideburn part. There. Y'all, it feel like so much hair. Like, I kind of like it. I just wish it blended in more with my hair texture. Sometimes I be thinking about perming my hair, but I don't know. I'm not doing that. What's the point, you know? I straighten it anyway. I cannot see the back. It probably look crazy in the back. Oh, it feel like so much hair, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna go pick up my kids and then I'm gonna come back and do my eyelashes. All right, y'all, so now it's time to move on to my lashes. So I got these lashes off of Amazon. I don't know how to do like the whole cluster thing, so that's why I just buy them already clustered. And then I use this adhesive. So I don't use it. It's my first time using this one. I used a different brand before. Yeah, and I got this off of Amazon also. It's like the mascara one and then it just sticks to it. So yeah, let's get into lashes. All right, y'all, and I'm using this to this tweezer to apply the lashes with. And yeah, so basically what you do is you brush it on like this mascara and then the lashes stick to your lashes. I don't know how you guys are gonna see it. Let me think. Maybe I can try to do it. Child, I ain't messing with my eyes like that. Okay, so it's on there now. And I'm gonna pull one of these babies. They're all the same length, so it don't matter. Girl, my little thing broke apart. It's okay. So yeah, so you just, it's gonna stick to it. And you see, that baby's on there. I did one eye off of camera because I'm trying to figure out the angle how I'm gonna show you guys this. But I think I'm gonna go in with another layer because it's some gaps. And I like full volume lashes, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna go in with one more layer. All right, y'all, so we have the second layer. I just put it in like spots where it was gaps and stuff, so yeah. Now, hopefully I can do this side on camera and y'all can see it better. I would recommend when you take these off, right, start from the bottom. See? Start from that bottom right there and then just lift it up. That would stop it from, I'm trying to figure out why they kept breaking apart, but I guess it's from how I was pulling them. It kept breaking apart, it was weird. But yeah, let's start this other side. So you're just gonna apply the mascara all over the bottom of your lashes. gonna pull from the bottom, like grip it, and then just lift up. Ooh. There it is. If I can do this on camera. All right, y'all, sorry, I moved the camera again, but sheesh, okay. All right, so I got the first layer on there. Now I'm gonna go in with the second layer. So we're gonna brush this on like mascara again. Y'all, so the second layer is on. I only had to use 2 because I just wanted to fill in some gaps because I don't want it to get bulky, even though I do like volume, but it's okay. Okay, so now that we have the lashes on, we're going to use this tool to pinch everything together. Now look, I went from having no lashes to long, full, pretty lashes with a little curl and everything, girl. Amazon, okay? Amazon. All right, y'all, so that would be the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.